Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma Ulaong baka jinyo huri hurang hapo kari Bangladesh kadai neki kamying kamsem halor kabahak yo kamyo jam kabalai po no kisispa kabalamang nagabenta kispai bat kalong ru kabasngosi begini ki jingjia ki jia namar ki bon ki Khynnah Pule nakeleng ki benta jo kaperthai ki beralej ban Pule hapo kari Bangladesh bat kani kalakta shibon kamtam yekini ki Khynnah ki bapule bat nakaliang ke sarkar Meghalaya ru mariatip halor kini ka khubor kala shimkhia wood banyak keren bat ki bor badai pech po kari Bangladesh ha kabaladon haru saus pa Ngut ki Khynnah Pule ni ki benta bapher jong kari India lala ban Ïalam lingba ka dauki ha kaba napdeng kini prapungut ki dei ki Khynnah napo ka jilla Meghalaya Konrad habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor mentakas sengi hadin jong ka jingelang kekinhon menteri ulaong bakidang don ki Khynnah jong ka jilla Meghalaya ki bapule hapo ke Eastern Medical College Dhaka ki badan hadu ulai pohun reu ngut tam baru Konrad ulai ka jingkular ru iki kimeki pa jong ki Khynnah bana kaliang ka sarkar kalaya keren bar ke Indian Embassy ka badan Dhaka bat ki bor penya jong ka college ne ka benta ka jingsngan bat ka jingyada jong ki khon jong ki bat kidang wadru yaki lat kilenti pan Ïalam yaki khun jongki shapo ka jilla Meghalaya badru yaki jingdon kam Baroh nakaliang ka sarkar kaladap ban penbiang lun bat kikme kikpan kipat ba kilaban ajing tem ni pan jingerap lingba u helpline number balabu de ka sarkar.
So obviously we are aware that the situation in Bangladesh is a localized kind of a problem in terms of the different issues that was raised because of the reservation that was there in terms of 30% reservation that was meant for armed forces and all. So those concerns and all this came up, and obviously it has taken a political turn as well as slightly complicated law and order turn. So it's very unfortunate. Number one, it shouldn't. And obviously there are a lot of students from many parts of the world who are in fact studying there. So therefore a lot of the students have been affected. But as soon as we got this information, we have immediately moved into action, and almost close to about 405 students from India have been evacuated from Bangladesh through Dauki, and out of them about 80 are from our state of Meghalaya itself, and then the rest are from other parts of the state of the country. We also have the students from Bhutan and Nepal also who were there, and some tourists who were stuck, who again crossed the border from Dauki's side. So the movement is on. We have already got our nodal officers here in the state, as well as we have in touch with the Indian Embassy in Dhaka, and a senior IPS officer is directly in touch with us to facilitate any kind of movement that is required. At the same time, there are some concerns that have been raised regarding one particular college called the Eastern Medical College. About 36 students of ours are there, I'm told. The numbers could be up and down. I stand corrected on that, but roughly about 36 students. We are in touch with the officials there also, and with touch with the Indian Embassy. And though the college are saying that the situation is okay, but obviously a lot of the parents are very concerned. So I want to share and tell all the parents that we are continuously in touch. Though the situation in and around the college is okay, but en route there could be some situations, and therefore it will not be possible to take a chance unless until we are very sure that the route also is clear and they can be safely brought to the border. We'll have to watch the situation. So therefore those activities are on, and we are in touch. We are hopeful that within the next 24 hours we'll be able to assess the situation. We are ready from the Tripura side, because this particular point where they'll be entering is in Tripura. So we are in touch with the Tripura side also. We're in touch with our counterparts and our High Commission in Bangladesh also, and our officials also in touch, so that we can evacuate our students and others immediately from there as soon as we find that the route is also clear. So I just want to share with all the concerned parents that we are doing everything in our capacity to ensure safe return of all the citizens. We are leaving no stone unturned. We are in touch with the Indian Embassy. We are in touch with also the students also at individual levels. We have made arrangements at Dauki in terms of everything from medical attention to food to transportation to security. And as we speak also, as I said, the different transfers and transportation of individuals is taking place. But I do urge our citizens also, if there is any information they have on anybody, we have given a nodal number, we have given a helpline number also. You can always call in this helpline number, and we have given a nodal officer's number also. So people can contact in those numbers as well if they find that any information is there which should come to us. In terms of whatever we have received from different sources, but the exact count is not there with us. And in fact, just to share with you, we are coming out with a small, an OM kind of a thing, a proposal, where we have realized that we have seen this in the past also. We have faced a lot of problems in the past also because of the fact that we do not have direct contact with our students. So we are proposing in the next cabinet, it's coming up.
Okay.
Yeah. Online, yes. So by next cabinet, hopefully we'll be clearing this proposal where there will be an online portal where we are urging every student from Meghalaya who's studying outside to please register and please give us your contact numbers so that you are in our database, and immediately if there's any situation, in a matter of just seconds, we'll be able to bring out all the details of our students who are there and the contact numbers, so that in the future, if such situations happens in any part of the world, we have the necessary details and contacts. So we're coming out with that portal, and that should help us a lot in the future. But as of now, as I said, we're relying only on the information being given to us by the High Commission and by the colleges that are there, and also by the citizens and the parents whose children are studying in Bangladesh. Well, this will be for everybody. Since it's student you mentioned, so I'm mentioning this. But yes, we prefer that everybody should inform us. But it's not going to be mandatory. But it's something that we're giving an option that it will help us to have the database as and when situations arise.